To me, quality means building a highway, in our case, that we can be proud of.
Quality is a business of not just doing what you do because it's what you're supposed to do. It is about looking for ways to continuously make it better.
Achieving a high standard of quality is a self-fulfilling prophecy almost. One then is able to continue the tradition, and I think it's a little easier.
Road building has come a long way since the early days of highway construction. In just 40 years, our interstate system has changed the way we work and live. More than 50 billion vehicle miles are traveled annually on the interstate highway system. This represents nearly 1/4 of all vehicle miles traveled nationwide. But many roads are wearing out and will need improvement in the near future. That means a lot of highway repair work will be going on as we enter the new millennium, and that's where NQI comes in. The National Quality Initiative was formed in 1992 to bring the highway industry together. 10 organizations, along with the Federal Highway Administration, are focusing attention on continuous quality improvement within the highway industry.
We want quality. We need quality. And to get quality, we must have cooperation of all the various associations and organizations who are involved in the highway industry. I mean, that's a given. We must work with each other. And we have common problems, and the only way to resolve them is by mutually resolving them as a team. And that is what the purpose of the NQI policy statement was.
The National Quality Initiative strives to advance the quality and delivery of our nation's highway system through partnership efforts and customer focus, increase the strength and competitiveness of the U.S. transportation industry through quality emphasis and improvement, and maximize the investments in transportation through better system and product performance. The National Transportation Policy charts a course for leading the U.S. transportation system into the 21st century.
In 1992, when we began this effort, we came together primarily to focus on construction materials and methodologies. We have now expanded the program to move beyond just these limited areas and to look at the totality of the highway component. We look at design, we look at operations and management activities, as well as looking at training.
During the first seminar in Dallas, the national policy on the quality of highways was adopted. The policy calls on each participating organization to pledge a continuing commitment toward quality products and services. The initial objective was to bring together leaders from the highway industry and spread the message throughout the highway community that quality is an important tool for success. Quality takes commitment from the top, and representatives from major highway organizations pledged their support to NQI by signing the policy resolution.
Subsequent to that, we began then to ring the bell for quality by urging individual states to form national quality steering committees at the state level. And so they would be state steering committees. And I can tell you over the last 5 years, many states have done that. And as a result, there are new quality teams at work around this country.
Typically, highway quality is thought of in terms of the construction product. However, there are actually many components that have a bearing on the quality of construction. In addition to the finished road, planning, design, operations, maintenance, safety, traffic, the environment, and the economy are all factors to be considered. Every organization in the NQI partnership is working to improve the quality of its product or service. The Federal Highway Administration is an organization with a long-standing commitment to improving the quality of the nation's highway transportation systems. The quality journey is a renewed commitment to serving customers, those who use and are affected by highway transportation, and to being driven by their needs and expectations. It is also a commitment to providing the agency's employees a working environment which encourages and expects excellence in everything they do, and to developing the skills they need to serve their customers. The American Association of State Highway and Transportation Officials is a recognized leader in transportation excellence. In all of its activities, products, and services, AASHTO consistently demonstrates commitment to innovation, creativity, and technology in the continuing development of a balanced transportation system. Quality products and professional services are constantly being developed for its customers. The American Concrete Pavement Association has a formal quality policy that works to improve the quality and performance of its products. The association's Quality Committee addresses a wide array of cooperative quality initiatives with special emphasis on education and training for performance-related specifications. The mission of the National Asphalt Pavement Association is to provide its membership with services to produce and place the highest quality paving materials in the most efficient manner and at the most economical cost. NAPA's training programs, publications, research, and promotional activities are focused on continually raising the industry standards of quality. The National Ready-Mix Concrete Association has placed added emphasis on programs in 3 general areas: certification, training, and publications. Over 700 plants throughout the country are certified. In the association's short course on concrete and concrete aggregates, quality control and quality production items are detailed. The association's Engineering and Standards Committee is currently working to develop a quality control, quality assurance manual for all member companies. This manual will guide ready-mix producers in developing quality control and assurance programs. The American Road and Transportation Builders Association is one of the initial industry organizations that joined in signing the National Policy on Highway Quality in 1992. The organization has established an internet site that includes a homepage link to NQI. It has also addressed its state chapters at their meetings to encourage understanding of the goals of the NQI and to encourage their implementation. As the voice of the construction industry, the Associated General Contractors of America is an organization of qualified construction contractors and industry-related companies dedicated to skill, integrity, and responsibility. AGC provides its members training and education services in an array of areas: craft worker, superintendent, and management training, safety, human resources, and market development. It promotes continuous quality improvement in construction. A majority of the American Public Works Association's chapters have quality committees devoted to spreading and supporting quality and leadership in public works. APWA has a national award program for quality in public works projects and leadership, and many chapters have additional quality awards. The National Stone Association has programs in place to develop the quality of people, processes, and products. NSA recognizes that people are vitally important to the future of the industry. The association awards continuing education units for participants in quality seminars and has published the award-winning Aggregate Handbook to provide a single-source reference for the industry. The American Consulting Engineers Council continually strives to update and improve their engineering proficiency. The ACEC provides the executives of private engineering firms with the tools and educational opportunities to improve the quality of their designs and business standards. The Council's strategic mission recognizes that the group must focus on quality professional services in a competitive global marketplace. Since the Asphalt Institute was organized in 1919, one of its major goals has been quality improvement of asphalt pavements through engineering research and education. The Institute is an active participant implementing SuperPave technology developed through the Strategic Highway Research Program. Over 500 asphalt materials and design personnel from all 50 states have been provided with hands-on experience in this emerging technology to foster quality asphalt pavements. The worldwide quality revolution has permanently changed the way we all do business in the highway industry. The measurement of success is the satisfaction of contractors, departments of transportation, and the traveling public. The way to achieve it is through continuous improvement.
Quality is more than just test results on a piece of paper. It's about commitment. It's about ownership. It's about a paving crew that comes to work today committed to providing a higher quality pavement today than they built yesterday. It's about working together as professionals in this transportation industry to provide better quality products and services to the traveling public.
The key is involvement, from the top to the bottom of the team. Patience and discipline are also necessary for a quality process to succeed. The payback comes from both cost reductions due to more efficient operation and fewer defective projects and services. That leads to customer satisfaction as well as company success. In its simplest form, NQI involves two major actions: determining customer needs and organizing to deliver on those requirements. Once you understand the basic benchmarks of quality, you are ready to implement it. There are three main steps. First is analysis. Determine strengths and weaknesses of the existing work. Then plan and program for change. Finally, design, develop, and implement the necessary improvements into a complete system with measurements and controls. By following the principles promoted by NQI, our industry has learned that it is today's best investment in competitiveness. The NQI member organizations have pledged their continuing commitment to providing quality products, services, and information. Since the beginning, NQI has produced results, and the momentum continues to grow. In 1995, the first NQI Achievement Award was presented to the North Carolina Department of Transportation and C.C. Mangum Incorporated.
The significance of the NQI Award is that it recognizes the top producer of a quality highway in the United States. The award was envisioned to be the Academy Award of highway quality, that if one were to win one award for quality of his work in highways, that it would be the NQI National Award.
The reconstruction of I-65 in downtown Indianapolis won the 1997 NQI Achievement Award. Sharing the prize were the Indiana Department of Transportation and the joint venture of Burns Construction Company and Weddell Brothers Construction Company. This prestigious award will continue to be given out every other year. NQI has sponsored quality improvement workshops and published the results from the first NQI National Highway User Survey. The NQI Steering Committee has even put together a collection of helpful resource materials. This toolbox helps members develop programs to inform everyone about the commitment to continuous quality improvement. The long-range plan was published in 1994 and is continuously being updated to reflect those tasks that have been completed. NQI also plans additional conferences and workshops to train individuals and update skills of workers in the highway industry. The National Quality Initiative puts the customer first. It seeks to provide product and service quality and increase the satisfaction of the traveling public. That means asking customers what they want, setting 0 defects as your standard, completing work in the shortest time possible, measuring the system, not personal behavior, making sure everyone feels like a stakeholder. NQI is a culture change. The key to making quality work is leadership, clear communication of values and priorities, inspirational vision, leading by example, and enhancing customer-supplier relationships. People need those things to excel for their customers. Everyone in the organization serves on the front lines. Everyone knows what's going on, what's working, and what's not. There are no quick fixes or shortcuts. Quality is a commitment to long-term continuous improvement. It is a journey, not a destination. And the National Quality Initiative is proving that it works.